What is going on, guys? So I was definitely wanting to film this video outside today because it's fucking gorgeous out. Like, the sun's out, the birds are chirping, but it's windy and my camera doesn't like the wind. So we're gonna do this video like half inside and then half at night because I go in at 3 today and I thought I went at 4. So I'm kind of like rushing to get to work right now, but I wanted to record this part first. So today what we are going to do is we're going to do another Q&A sort of thing. I'm not gonna name it Q&A because we'll read the title because people don't like those videos sometimes. So I have another title in mind, but you guys are already gonna see the title that I have in mind, so yeah. So the time you guys are seeing this, it is going to be Wednesday, and that's one day before I leave for Florida. So today is Tuesday when I'm recording this, and it is actually my last day of work. So I am pretty excited because I'm out the craziest over my job, but I'm transferring stores to another same job. So we'll see how it goes in Florida. Hopefully the people are a little bit better, and yeah. So I'm gonna answer all my questions in my car, and it's probably gonna be at night, but I'm gonna have my light on. So we're gonna go do that. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Peace. It is now nighttime. If you guys can tell, I worked the entire night and I'm completely exhausted, but I want to keep my upload schedule and I want to upload every Wednesday and Saturday at 11 a.m. like I've been doing. We are going to start answering the questions now. Now I'm going to do what I usually do and put the thing here or here, I don't remember which side. There are Instagram tags of where I got the questions from, so you guys can go drop them a follow. So let's get started. The first question we got is, are you going to supercharge the BRZ? Now I'm going back and forth on this a lot because supercharging is a lot safer, but turbocharging is faster and makes cooler sounds. I think I want to go on the route of turboing the car, but I haven't quite decided. We're gonna keep that as a possibly, but I'm not quite sure yet. This question is, what is your advice for a high school student looking for a fun car to drive around for $5,000 or less? I just butchered that. I would say go for a Miata because you can get a Miata for really cheap, and I've never driven a Miata personally, but I've heard a lot of good things about them being fun. So I would say go for the Miata because I've heard a lot of good things. This question is, how's your life going and what are the future mods of the BRZ? Now, the mods of the BRZ are ever changing because I changed my mind on a lot of things. So I have ideas and I want to eventually be running big power, and I do want to be running forged internals so I can run the big power. Eventually some sort of body kit. I don't really know if I want to go Varus or Rallybacker or Rocket Bunny. I haven't really decided which one I want to go with yet. I do want to go wide body eventually with the car. And my life right now is stressful because the time you guys are seeing this, I am packing all day for Florida. And I'm not sure how much car content I can get in Florida because I don't have any space of my own really, because I come back in 3 months. So if I were to get something that said like wheels, I wouldn't be able to bring the old wheels back with me because I would have no space for them. So car content's gonna be kind of weird out there. So I'm kind of stressing out about that. And I'm just trying to think of things I can do that I don't have to bring a lot of parts back. Same guy asked if he should wide body his CRX or keep it clean. I say fuck it, do a wide body. What is the future of your car? That's pretty much like the same question that he asked. The future of the car is still up for discussion because I don't know where I want to take it yet. I have a lot of ideas. I want to make it look more aggressive. I definitely know what wheels I want. We'll see where it goes. I like this question because I think this one is good for reflection. So this question is, where do you see yourself in your car in a year's time? By next summer, a lot of it depends. If for some reason something blows up with my YouTube, the car could be pretty much done of how I've always dreamt it to be in a year. If not, I see myself having like a ground effects kit, new wheels, and maybe some more power going into it. That's where I realistically see it. I don't think I'll have anything crazy yet in a year's time, but who knows, maybe in a year I could be starting to boost the BRZ. I could be louder, I could be lower, but if YouTube blows up for me, I could see myself having a wide body boosted BRZ. It depends where life goes and which way it takes me. If YouTube takes me somewhere, that's where I see my car. If not, I see myself making more power, but having more of a clean, non-wide body build. I got this question, which I found kind of funny, because this is something definitely my girlfriend says. This guy asked like a bunch of questions. They told me to take my hat off. I have hair, and I have a decent amount of it, and I don't know why you wanted to see my hair, but this is me without a hat. I style it sometimes, but I'm also very lazy, so I don't style it, but that was for you. This question is, if you could have any other Subaru, what would it be? So I think I would go with a Blobeye WRX. No reasons in particular, they just appeal to me a lot. If I get a project car within the next year, which I am hoping to do, maybe, that is one of the cars that I am considering because I've always liked those cars. I think they're pretty cool cars, and you can make a decent amount of power out of them, and I think that'd be some good content. But at the same time, if I get a project car, I don't know if I want to get another Subaru, because I don't want to just appeal to the super people, you know what I'm saying? But I would go with Blobeye. The question where I got the title of the video from is, what does TTR stand for? Now, TTR goes back from when I made one of my first emails. A lot of my emails and gamer tags and usernames is Tater Tot Man. So when I had my last car, I decided to make a car page for my Dodge Dart. And I was like, everyone's got some sort of kind of unique name. I do Tater Tot Man for everything. So I did the Tater Dart, the _Tater_Dart. And I kind of liked it. And then when I got the BRZ, it was kind of like a thing that's like, a BRZ sounds like an abbreviation, so the Tater BRZ just didn't sound good to me. So pretty much what I did was I took the vowels out of Tater to get TTR. And I think TTR sounds kind of cool with TTR BRZ, and that's where I got the name from. And I was thinking about this recently. If I ever get rid of my BRZ for any reason, my name is literally not gonna make sense anymore because I don't have the car, but it's always gonna be a reminder and a throwback to where we once started. And I think that's always a good thing, is you start somewhere, you go, you make mistakes along the way, but you're still progressing forward. So TTR is Tater, but I didn't want to have the Tater BRZ, so it's TTR BRZ. I'm sorry my car wasn't even in this video. I'm sorry if this video was short. I'm sorry if this video was boring to some of you, but I really wanted to make my last video in Pennsylvania another Q&A sort of thing, because I just think it's kind of a good way to send off my journey to Florida. I'm not sure what Florida is gonna bring me. I'm not sure what kind of car stuff it's gonna bring me. I'm not sure what's really gonna happen. I'm just not sure at all. So pretty much, guys, things happen, life goes on. Hopefully Florida brings me good car content. Hopefully this whole Florida thing is a really good experience for me. Hopefully this Florida thing, maybe Florida will end up bringing my YouTube to a broader audience. I don't know where it's gonna bring me or what's gonna happen in Florida, but I'm kind of happy I started this whole vlogging thing because I'm going to Florida, and this is like the biggest move in my life because me and my girlfriend are just kind of dropping everything we have here to go to Florida, and that's a big move, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with the adventure. Some car content stuff happens, which I want to happen. You guys will definitely see that. If not, I'm still gonna try to cater to what you guys want to see. I like when you guys comment. I like when you guys comment things that you guys want to see, or just comment in general, because you guys know I like to start discussions or talk to you guys in my comment section. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, especially let's hit that subscribe button. Our subscribers need to go up. I think we're a little bit behind on this month. I think right now, last I checked, I was at 460. We gotta hit 500 by the end of the month. 500 is a huge thing. I think we can do it. So comment, like, subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Keep doing you. Keep doing all the fun shit. I'll catch you guys next time in Florida. Peace.